Alright. We are literally right next to a highway. This is nuts. I think that's everybody trying to get to work in Huntsville, Alabama. But we made it. It's about 7:30. Let's see if we can't try to get on some new birds. Coming up on the Beaver Dam Boardwalk. So far we haven't picked up anything new really. Oh wow, phone's hearing all kinds of stuff now. Probably wood thrush. Let's keep an eye out for a Acadian flycatcher. And that Prothonotary warbler. I can't even say that. I'll try to learn how to pronounce that. Let's get another one going. Acadian flycatcher up here. That'd be cool. Where are you at, buddy? Kind of still really dark under here. Leaves have grown in so thick. But I'm really looking for just any movement, flapping around at all. What's up here? Keep talking to me. He's right over here, so he keeps talking. This Acadian flycatcher. Is he above us? Really cool scenery. This is so cool. Alright guys, you probably can't tell, but it took me a minute, but we found this dude. Alright, can I find him in the... There he is. But we got an Acadian flycatcher. This is what's cool about that. This is my bird. Boom. We're at Wheeler. Boom. Yes, sir. Alright, so very cool. Goal accomplished. We saw a new bird. Feel kind of relaxed because at least we saw one new bird. The Acadian flycatcher. He's still just up there. Yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get a better picture of one. Let's keep walking. We got a long day ahead of us. God, chickadee. Dude, this is so fucking cool. Man, this feels like I don't know, way further south than I actually am. This is cool. Holy shit. Guys, there's a Paranthi warbler, or I can't say it, but a new warbler over here. Let's look for yellow. Got one. Fuck yeah. Alright, he's right up here. Oh shit, I've lost. Oh, there he is. I got one of this bird's ass end. Where'd you go? Shit, I've lost him. That's a new species, number 2. It's a boom. Haha, number 2. There's a red belly. Hear that? That was him. I'll be able to lift that up a little bit, but that's pretty cool. Oh shit, I saw another warbler. One of those. What the fuck? Damn, I wonder if the camera got that. Fucking squirrel or something up there. Alright, we have made it to the end of the boardwalk. Alright, we're gonna make our way back to the truck, load up, and hit spot number 2. Oh, this is cool. So a photo blind. Poke your cameras through. I don't guess nothing out here right now. That's neat. This place is so cool. Wow. I guess they have people that come out and watch. I'm gonna have to figure out when this is. This is neat. The different birds you can see. This is so cool. Cool. All this wild bamboo is nuts. I left my GoPro in the truck, but we have some indigo buntings talking up here. I'm gonna try to get some pictures. Fourth trail, just got done eating. Let's see what this has to say and then head back to Kentucky.